This is the beta tank. And we have our tetra in there who's been thriving with them for months. We had a round, I think it's called Orby tank, but for some reason all the fish died. These are the betas that have been in this colony. They're all females for almost a year now. Might be a year. Never any incidents. Gotta do a wipe down and a water top off in a few minutes. There's the alligator. One of them. There's 4. He's the tiniest. The tetra's a beast. When it's feeding time, which it's about to be in a couple minutes, he runs up and, well, swims up, snatches, and goes right back to the bottom. Harmony. I had so many people comment on my videos saying that I can't put this many betas together. Well, proof is in the pudding. I also have a separate tank down bottom for if anything ever did happen, but nothing has ever happened.